Hello guys, good afternoon. Once again, this is Nikki and welcome to my channel. Well, thank you nga pala sa lahat ng mga nag-subscribe sa channel ko. And again, today is Monday, April 27. At saka sobrang quarantine feels. So walang gagawin guys. So of course, since wala naman tayong gagawin, so may challenge ako ngayon na siguradong magugutom kayong lahat guys. Okay, so sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe ng channel ko guys, please click subscribe or you can actually go directly to my YouTube channel, Nikki Mercadal. And if nagustuhan niyo yung video na to, then click the like button and of course, click the notification bell para naman updated kayo sa mga new videos na i-upload ko sa channel ko sa YouTube. Okay, so again guys, today is a mukbang challenge. So kakain tayo ngayon ng kakain guys at samahan niyo ako. Okay, so enjoy the vlog! Another one. Okay. Hi guys! I'm back! So once again, no, ayun na nga, busog na busog ako. Thank you sa panunood. At saka salamat guys kung nagustuhan niyo ang vlog na to. Please like this video. And of course, once again guys, hit the notification bell sana para at least pag i-upload ako ng mga new videos ko sa channel ko is of course updated kayo guys. So, yun lang guys. Thank you so much. And again, keep safe everyone. God bless. Huwag po lumabas ng bahay. Stay safe at stay at home guys. Dahil, of course, para matapos na yung quarantine. Thank you and have a good one. Bye-bye!